Hi, my name's Alex Duffy. I work in the jewellery department at Fellows Auctioneers, and today I'm going to be talking to you about buying diamond engagement rings at auction. Buying at auction could be a fantastic way to secure a quality diamond at a reasonable price, and there's always going to be a good range on offer. Today I've brought with me 4 examples to show you. Firstly, at the more affordable end of the market, we have this platinum diamond single stone ring. Estimated at 0.35 carats, H to I colour and SI clarity, you could typically see this at auction selling for in the region of £250 to £350. On the high street, you may be looking closer to 800 or even more. Moving up the market, we have this 18 carat gold square-shaped diamond single stone ring. This one comes with a certificate stating 0.55 carats E-colour VS1 clarity. A typical auction estimate would be £500 to £700. Again, at the high street, it would be in excess of £1,000. Here we have a 1 carat diamond set in platinum and set with diamond shoulders. So slightly different style, but we've reached the 1 carat mark here. Typical auction estimate for something like this is going to be in the region of £2,000. High street value, again, is going to be approximately double, possibly even more. Moving up the market a little bit more, we have something even more special. This diamond has been estimated as 3.90 carats with H to I colour and VS clarity. That's very slightly included, so a very clean stone and a very white stone. We would expect something like this to sell at auction for in excess of £15,000. Buying a diamond engagement ring could be a key purchase at a very special moment in your life. As well as great value, auction can also offer great reassurance and a level of expertise that you won't typically find on the high street. Before bidding, it's important to ask about colour, clarity and cut, as well as the condition of the diamond and the piece that you are interested in. Here at Fellows, we offer in-depth condition reports and descriptions where we will describe the carat weight, an estimated colour and an estimated clarity grade, so you can always buy with confidence.